In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set up brackets inside of Quantower. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Quantower like you usually would. Then from here, showing something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the chart panel and go over to this specific thing called auto. From here, you'll need to go down to bracket mode and then choose multi. Here you'll need to see there's be no brackets, but if you click on it, you can see that the stop loss and take profit will be visible. From here, you can click on both, and then right here, you can switch quantity to percentage if you want to do that. And if you want to add it, you can click add, and then you can add how many ticks you want and the quantity right here. You'll also be able to enable a trailing stop if you want to do that, or delete the stop loss if you want to do that, or the take profit. Then from here, when you're done, you'll simply need to click save. And then from here, you can start buying the specific symbol that you have chosen. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!